Welcome back, guys, to 509. So today we got a brand new car from Team Associated, and this is the FX2 Sport Datsun 620. The detail on this truck is just amazing. You guys can see there's even like mirrors over here. On the box it does say the calipers underneath the rims are red. So it is a actual grille. It's not like a sticker or anything. You got your wipers. You got a little spoiler on the back. Comes the manual for the remote. You got your bind plug. You got a lot of stickers. You get a lot of spare parts. Not really sure what they are. Like I said, there is stickers that you could customize it a little bit. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is probably. So it is a brushed motor, not brushless. So it is a 550, says 15 churn, 3-slot motor. You could run 3S and 2S. We're probably gonna be running 3S. So on the body, I just noticed it looks like there's some slots for lights. So I think if you later on want to put some lights, there is some slots over here for lights. So I think that would actually look pretty cool with some lights on it. There's a lot of other videos online that will go into details, but for me, I just want to see this thing run. So let's plug in the battery and take it to the streets. I'm actually digging the colors. The colors are actually pretty cool on it. So we are running 3S, so I'm gonna see how it handles. Oh, it does drift a little bit. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, I don't think it has, like, you know, the stability and stuff, but still it's pretty cool. I mean, it's not too fast, you know, where it's like uncontrollable, but it's still pretty quick. Tires are pretty soft.
They're pretty warm already.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Well, it does drift a little bit. What I really like about these cars, when they come with the feature where you can turn down the speed. So this one, you could turn it down. So this is the lowest. And that's perfect. Like, I could give it to my daughter and she could drive it. I had a few people ask to drive some of my cars, and it's just nice to be able to turn it down. Whew, that thing jumped, bro.
Oh, we should not do that.
It jumped a little bit more than I thought it would.
Yeah.
Dude, that thing goes quick. Just do a launch. Yeah, that thing goes, bro. Oh, dude, I just noticed. I think we lost one of the headlights. Look, we lost one of the headlights.
What the heck?
Thing is, when we jumped on those bumps over there. So we lost it right here.
Oh, nice.
Just gotta put it back in.
Think we can put it back in?
Yeah, should just, I think, pop in. I think we just hit it too hard on the landing. There you go. Brand new.
The light is gonna shine up now. I think I put it upside down.
See if we could do donuts over here. It's a little bit more grippy here, huh?
Yeah. Well, it'd be nice to set up like a
little course.
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes a really good street car. Oh, there you go. Got a little sand over there.
Yep.
You can see the lines a little bit permanently. Well, not that one. That was already there. But you can see the little lines, kind of leaving it. Look at this green stuff. It's so slippery, dude. Yeah, you could drift this thing pretty cool. Even though it's a street car, we're gonna just try it on dirt. Because I know brush motors, they don't really like dirt, but we'll give it a shot. But it's so fun drifting street cars on dirt.
Oh, nice bucket of sand.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.